Imagine we were asked to plot this linear relation over the domain -3 to 3. To plot it, it'd be really handy to have the endpoints. Heaps of different ways of doing this. You can sub in -3, see what the y value is, sub in +3, see what the y value is, and go from there. What we'll do is we'll use the method of generating a table of values. So we'll go to Graphs and Tab, Edit and Clear All, and we will write the function in. So that's -2x take 4, and let's bring up the keyboard in option with a domain of -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Check it and graph it. Okay, you can see that not much has happened on mine. You can see because the window is just so big. So I'm going to go to this option here, which is View Window. So I'll show you that again. It's that option there, and I'm going to hit Defaults and OK. Right, so that brings up my graph a little bit more reasonably, and I can get an understanding of how it sort of looks over the domain. Okay, so now what we want it to do is we want it to generate a table of values for us. So the button we need to do that is this one here. You can see that a table of values has been done already for 1, 2, and 3 in it, but we want to change this so that it works for our table of values, which is all the values from -3 to 3. So we hit this button here. That allows us to change the table input. We want to change the start number to -3, the end number to 3, and you can choose what your step is. Your step is how much the values change each time for the table of value. The default is 1, so that is that it will plot the points or give you the points -3, -2, -1, and so forth. You can change it to whatever you want. You can go up by 2s, by 5s, by 0.1, it really doesn't matter, but we want a step of 1. Let's use the default option. So this basically gives us the table of values, and it tells us that that one of the points on the graph is -3, 2. So if I write that down, so that's point -3, 2, and I'll get the other endpoint by scrolling down with my stylus, and I can see that the second point is 3, -10. So now if I'm plotting this on graph paper, I can use the two endpoints, draw a line that connects the two of them, or draw a line that way that connects the two of them, and my plot will be perfect. It'll be correct.